Welcome to the BW News Network. We are The Men, the breaking news segment. I am Nick Unora.
And I am JP Daun. We interrupt your regularly scheduled program for this important message. We have heard that your AP Physics class has missed the chapter about heat transfer, and it is crucial that you should learn about it.
There are three types of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation.
Let's talk about conduction. Conduction is the process of heat transfer from the difference in two temperatures. Here's a video example that we shot earlier today. Hello there. As you can see, I have here in front of me a spoon and a cup of water. This cup of water has been heated up to almost boiling temperature, which makes it much hotter than this here room temperature spoon. Notice how I can touch the spoon all over the place without burning myself. Now, when I submerge it under the water, the energy from the water is transferred to the spoon, which acts to balance out the temperatures until they are equal. In other words, the water will become slightly cooler while the spoon will become hotter. As I take it out and touch it, I will burn myself because of the heat transferred from the water. Ouch! And that there is conduction.
Convection. Now, let's talk about convection. Convection is the process of heat transfer by the motion of fluid. I produced a segment on this using a pot of water. Take a look. As you just heard, convection is when heat is transferred through the motion of fluid. To demonstrate this, we can look at a simple action that happens every day. Take a look at this pot of water. It is on the stove that is turned on, thus heating the bottom of the pan. Because of this, the water at the bottom is being heated as well. But why then is the top of the water also hot? Let me explain. As we know, the particles of water are freely moving and flowing throughout itself, just like the motion of fluids. It's as if we are using a spoon to mix the particles, yet they are doing this all by themselves. As a result, the particles that are being heated at the bottom flow around the body of water, making its way to the top, and eventually transferring the energy equally around the entire pot. This is why the whole pot heats evenly, even though the heat is only at the bottom. This is convection.
Radiation.
Why is sitting in the sun warmer than sitting in the shade? Or, why is sitting closer to the fireplace warmer?
The answer is radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat due to electromagnetic waves. Since you guys already know about waves and how they work, just think of heat waves being transferred the same way sound waves are. Every warm object emits heat waves. The sun, fire, heck, even Nick's muscles here.
Indeed they do.
If it helps, radiate means to beam. So think of the heat waves like beams of light. Just instead of light, they transfer heat. But unlike conduction and convection, they don't have to physically touch something. That is radiation.
We just received word that one of our top experts, Tyson Slanky...
Tyson Slanky?
Indeed. Tyson Slanky is out in the field doing research on radiation right now. Tyson, talk to us.
Tyson Slanky. Yeah, I've been out here doing some exquisite research on heat transfer, and as you can see, it's quite sunny. The sun's radiation is transferring heat to my body, and boy, do I feel it. Too bad I forgot sunblock. Ha ha ha! Back to you, man.
Thanks, Tyson. Well, folks, that concludes our emergency broadcast for you guys, and hopefully Now you're all experts on heat transfer.
Just don't forget, the 3 types of heat transfer are conduction,
Convection.
and radiation. We are the men, signing out. Now back to your regularly scheduled programs. Hey, good job out there, buddy. You killed it. You really did.